filmandlearning.com.
I'm gonna try to get some killer audio out here in the snow. And I wanna just give you guys, like, this is one of my favorite places on Earth, actually. And I wanted to just show you like where I'm at here. This used to be a military base during World War II, and it is bonkers beautiful out here at the Lake Farragut State Park. It's beautiful, beautiful. So I'm gonna go snowshoeing. I'm also gonna do some hiking, and I'm gonna be shooting some vertical video on my GH5, and I will also be shooting some with this so you can see my process. And I'm gonna try to get some really killer audio because I've got some squeaky snow. So let's see what it sounds like on the phone actually. Okay, let's do this. There's nothing nerdy going on here. We're just gonna shoot a 15-second video. It's gonna be in vertical format, so it could go on Instagram stories, Facebook stories, TikTok, whatever. But we're gonna level it up, play with the GH5 in vertical format, and out here in this beautiful piece of nature. Hopefully we can get something that it looks pretty good. So far the sound out of this is pretty good, but I'm worried that I'll have to take my coat off because, you hear that? That sucks because it's gonna be cold. Here we go. So one thing I learned is I like to take the mic off and point it down at my feet and get it actually closer than the camera is, which looks ridiculous, but it gets much crispier, nicer audio. And the other thing I just learned is that and I did this with my glide cam and snowshoes video, it's difficult to walk and film at the same time in snow. And this isn't even deep snow. There's snow out here that's probably 2 feet deep that I'm gonna take the snowshoes through, but it's gonna be pretty rough to try and get a steady shot in. I'm curious how the footage is gonna turn out, and I'm shooting this in high speed, so there should be enough footage that I can actually use it and make a 15-second video out of it. But there we go. Hey, look at this view. This view is beautiful. Okay, so there you have it. It's a beautiful day to be out here. I'm frozen solid, time for the edit. And you guys don't have to wait for it because you're gonna see it right now.